Hi everyone. Thank you for joining us today. In this video, we're going to be reacting to, for the first time, the Carpenters. All right. I have had so much requests to react to the Carpenters, and I am so sorry it's taken this long to get here. The first one I've seen is titled Rainy Days and Mondays. And the first one that came to my head was, they're the same, aren't they? Aren't they? They're exactly the same. On a Monday, you don't want to get up. On a rainy day, you don't want to get up either. So let's have a look. Let's see what we have got here. Without any further ado, people, let's go.
Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Exactly what I was just thinking. Rainy days and Mondays always gets me down. That's exactly. I was thinking they look like the best days.
Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems
She's the one playing the drum. I thought she was moving her hand a little bit. I was thinking her voice is so. It's lovely. It's just this. It's. Oh my days! Is absolutely lovely. I'm just looking for the right way to describe it. And she, oh my days!
always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Wow.
Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down.
I've got to say something. I don't know if it's just this song, but she does not sing as though she is a drummer. Because when you're drumming, there's this temptation to scream. She is so, she sings so lightly that is just incredible. It's absolutely beautiful. My days. Okay, now I kind of get why people are recommending that. So it's three of them in the group or four of them. Let me know, people. Let me know, and I look forward to more recommendations. All right. Until next time, people. You guys make sure you look after yourself, and you stay safe. Wow. Peace. It's been Kings. Peace. Bye for now, people. Bye.